One of the biggest buzzwords in military technology in recent times has been developing autonomous aircraft with no pilot on board, but evolution in the autonomous flight will come with the removal of the human element and let these aircraft act on their own in a hunter-killer mode, and also be used as collect information when on intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance mission. Not to be left behind, India will soon be taking up artificial intelligence-driven unmanned LCA-Tejas concept shortly, so that technology can be developed for the development of the next generation fighter jets in the future. The delivery schedule of Rafale fighter jets ordered by the Indian Air Force from France could get affected if lockdown measures in France to prevent the spread of the coronavirus disease are extended beyond March end, two people tracking the aircraft acquisition said on Sunday on the condition of anonymity. Confinement measures announced by France to battle the outbreak until March 31 have temporarily halted production at aircraft manufacturer Dassault Aviation's Merignac facility. China has deployed a fleet of underwater drones in the Indian Ocean. According to Chinese government sources, the drones were launched in mid-December 2019 and recovered in February after making more than 3,400 observations. These sea-wing gliders are a type of uncrewed underwater vehicle which can operate for months on end. The gliders are similar to ones deployed by the U.S. Navy. When China seized a U.S. Navy ocean glider in 2016, the stated reason was to ensure safe navigation of passing ships. Taken at face value, it may be surprising that China is now deploying these types of UUV en masse in the Indian Ocean. China has also deployed the sea wing from an icebreaker in the Arctic.